I've just come across this curb ramp here in a car park scenario, and I'm just a bit shocked to see the amount of water that is pooling around the perimeter of the curb ramp. So this is the vehicular line that's here, which is where a gutter may be. The base of the gutter is usually around this point. And I just want to point out how all the water is just pooling here. It's quite deep, and it's because there's insufficient drainage across this pedestrian walkway. Now what the problem is here is that people who are blind or vision impaired, they're not going to be able to see this water, right? So they're going to walk into that. It's a very high chance that they're going to get wet and be inconvenienced by this situation. Now, as it stands under the Disability Discrimination Act, the DDA, this is discriminatory, and whoever put the pipes in here and did this road work, they might not be aware of what's required. They're only going to follow the plans. But this is the kind of detail that is required for accessible environments. It's not just enough to do a job that works when it's dry, it's important to do a job that's going to work when it's wet as well. So, as it stands, the design of this curb ramp right now is non-conforming with the building code, and certainly is a discriminatory curb ramp, and it needs to be fixed or the drainage amended so it functions in both wet and dry conditions.